You want Grok AI to talk to you in another language? Let's switch languages easily. Let's get into the video. First of all, click on profile icon and head to account settings. Scroll down until you see the language setting from the drop down. Choose your preferred language from the list and save your changes. I just changed the language and changed it back. So this is how you change, and that's it. Grok will now respond in language that you selected. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.